Morning. When I bought into the Bauer line of 20-volt cordless tools, I really went in. This is the hedge trimmers, item 19114C-B. They want you to use the 3 amp hour battery, heavy duty guaranteed. I still don't know what that means. 20-inch dual action blade, 9/16 cut capacity, powerful and lightweight design. I think they put the 3 amp hour battery warning on there to warn you that if you go with the 1.5 amp hour battery that you're going to be disappointed, but also to say, well, you didn't use that, so the heavy duty isn't guaranteed. I still don't understand the heavy duty guaranteed. And they want to sell you the 3 amp hour battery, which is $40, and there's no % off coupons on these tools. So 40 bucks is 40 bucks. And when they have the 10% off Bauer days, the 10% off only applies to tools, not batteries. The ever-present manual. Exploded view diagram with parts. If you need a part for something you bought at Harbor Freight, you better count on finding it somewhere else, because you sure as hell ain't going to get it at Harbor Freight. The best way to get a spare part from Harbor Freight is to take back the broken part, get you a new item. That's about your options. So here's the trimmer itself. Nice long cutter blade. And we've got a handle and a guard. So let's take a look, see what we got. They've actually did something good here. There is a protective plastic over this, and it's not disposable. It's got little clips to hold it in place. Open those clips, take it off. When you're done, put it back on. Now, a lot easier said than done with all of these clips on it, but that is good. That'll protect you from these. The problem is, make sure it's dry before you do that. If you don't make sure it's dry before you do that, you're just trapping in the moisture and guaranteeing it's going to rust. So this is actually not the safest tool. There's nothing they can do to protect you from this. If you touch that, you're going to get cut. They want to protect you from getting cut, then it won't cut your bushes. Now, they have a thing here that says lubricate blade after every use. So lubricating this isn't the easiest thing. You need to get here on the bottom and lubricate every one of these where they slide against each other, and drop some right in here. Then you need to turn it over and lubricate every one of these. That's a consistent method that you can follow. I wouldn't go way overboard lubricating this. Just make sure there is some lubrication on it. Okay, so let's put it together. This is the safety shield. So I've got the 4-volt lithium-ion screwdriver from Bauer. Great time to combine reviews. This is the shield. Just slide it on, and you have these screws that are going to hold it in place. Okay, I didn't go in all the way, but that's okay. I didn't want it to. So now we'll get the second one. Put it in place. Okay, I can't press in enough to keep that in contact. And this doesn't have the torque limit that the bigger one does. Of course, this was a little cheaper. Okay, that's to shield you from that. This one is a little more complex. And I hate that they put these labels on everything. They're trying to cover their butt. And that's okay. But I don't like them. So does it have enough power to do this? There we go. Okay, now this has the safety built into it right here. Okay. This flexes. So let's see if we can get it on. It's a little awkward. And luckily it only goes in one way. Let's put it in. I actually stopped that. Battery's going dead. Okay, that's, you see me gripping this, that's the safety lever. So I bought the 3 amp like they suggested. So how does it sound? It doesn't work because of the safety. Now that has lubrication on it. I can see it on the blade. I'll use it, and then after I use it, I'll re-lubricate it, and I'll do that every time. So how does it feel? This is stationary, and this lever's back and forth. But I want to hold it like this, and that's actually a little awkward. And I can do either. I can hold in the activation, hit the safety. I can hold in the safety, hit the activation. It's irrelevant. The problem is that now the whole time I use it, I've got to hold both of those in. This one's natural, feels it. This feels unnatural. This is, I don't know what it is. It doesn't feel very comfortable with the grip. But the balance is okay. The balance is pretty much off of that. Maybe a little high there, but I kind of like it. I don't see it as a problem. Very compact design overall. Okay, so now that we know how it goes together, we know how to use it, I'll get some video trimming our hedges, and that's the reason I bought this. Trimming the hedges and using the blower is why I bought into the Bauer line. I got the driver to go with it because it was cheaper to buy the driver than to buy the batteries. So let's give it a try. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.